Part 2 of onboarding. Our new hire, Chidi Okeke, has just joined, so we start his onboarding checklist from the template. On the checklist tab we click Start Checklist. We pick the type, the staff member, and the standard onboarding template, set the start and target dates, and give it a title. The checklist opens with every task from the template. As each is done, HR marks it complete. HR can also add a one-off task that is not on the template. As the last tasks are checked off, the checklist reaches 100% and is marked complete automatically. That is onboarding, a reusable template, a per-employee checklist, task ownership, and progress tracked right through to completion.